Alright, let's see. Sunday, June 23rd. It's been a while since I turned on a camera. I recorded some stuff a week or so back, but I don't know if I'm gonna. Some random Tuesday that turned into a drinking, karaoke, dancing, showing our brother, their family, and other friends, more relatives than anything. Darwin started patching the cracks. This wall is settling. The existing was not, it was part of the wall that Shona put up in like 2019 when she was back. So the footing is probably not as robust as the upstairs. And we're getting just superficial cracking. Speaking of Darwin,
yeah.
Yay! Took Paul to the airport today. His month-and-a-half visit is over. Stopped off at City Hardware. Look for. What? This is the last one? What? Oh, okay. You bought this behemoth of a... Yes. Where am I what? Probably put it on YouTube in a couple of days. Yeah, say hi to everybody. Mark will watch it. My dad will... Mainly my dad. My dad will see it. Maybe my sister. No, she doesn't watch them. She doesn't watch YouTube. And some friends and some previous co-workers. But while at City, she saw the refrigerator of her dreams. So that's going away. So in a couple of days from now, we'll be taking the pickup truck to probably go to Maasin first. It's closer by about an hour, and having to go all the way up to Palo, which is up by Tacloban, which is almost 2 hours away. So something else. Chona had her fire pit thingy. Wait a second. And this is temporarily permanent, like most things in the Philippines. Extension cord. It goes up. It was rather long, so it wraps around. Poked it through. And then they single light. But was it last weekend? It's been 2 weeks already. Darwin redid this. Shona moved the 2-burner over to there. She wants to put the refrigerator out here when we get it. She hasn't decided. She thinks she wants to put it there. Oh, washing machine's done. All right. That's cute. Sort of, kinda. Alrighty. So that looks nicer. A couple of days when we get the refrigerator. I'll throw another minute or two on this video. It'll probably end up going right there. 19.8 cubic feet. This thing's huge. 45,000 pesos. 45,600, something like that. It's a little over 45,000. So what's that? I'd have to open a calculator and do what that is to dollars. That I think right now the peso rate is still at 58 point something pesos to the dollar. So then we can turn that off, and the little green one in the kitchen can be given to somebody. All right. Yay, Sunday, June 23rd, but I've already said that. And tomorrow I'll be all by myself. It's some sort of kind of something, sort of ish religious San Juan something day. And in this part of the Philippines, everybody goes to the beach somewhere. And I'm gonna stay home and have a nice quiet day to myself. No kids, no wife, no, not in-laws. Brother-in-law, sister-in-law, Lemmy, housemaid, they'll all be by myself for a good 5 or 6 hours, hopefully. Nice. Well, I'm gonna put a fan up. I promised Chonad the one in where Paul was staying in the room downstairs with the bedroom with AC. That fan went tits up. But Shona did not buy a very expensive one when she had it put in back in 2016. So, all right. Yay? Yeah. Yay. Oh, and since it's also officially the rainy season up in the Luzon area, which is distance-wise, us to Manila is like Vegas to San Francisco in distance. Ooh, here it comes. Yay. It won't rain for long, and it won't rain hard. We just get the edge of whatever system is out in the West Pacific, West Philippine Sea, South China Sea. There we go. And I don't have to water, because Mother Nature takes care of the side plants for me. And with the La Nina coming into being versus the El Nino, this coming rainy season should hopefully be a rainy season, unlike last year, which was ended earlier this year. That's how it works. All right, rain. the rain.